2024 Lexus LX600, what we know so far. Based on what we know so far, the new 2024 Lexus LX600 will come out next year. This model will be based on the Land Cruiser, which may soon be taken off the market in the United States. Even so, Lexus plans to keep the fire going with the release of its top model, the LX600. The new LX600 will be appealing, just like its older brother, the lx570. However, the exterior design and interior layout will be different, while the engine and other parts will stay the same. This means that the next SUV will have a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine that can make 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. 2024 Lexus LX600 design. The 2024 Lexus LX600 will have the same blocky shape as the LX models that came before it, but it will look more modern. The spindle grille on this SUV has been updated to look better, and the L in the middle is now bigger. The best part of this car is its attractive front end. The F-Sport trim level, which is the most popular of the available options, can change the look of this SUV in a big way. This version has 22-inch wheels and a grille that has been painted black. It also has adjustable shock absorbers and a brand new Torsen limited slip differential in the back. Lexus says that the multi-terrain select system will soon get an update that will add more off-road capabilities and different ways to drive. Sporty and luxury interior. When it comes out in 2023, the Lexus LX600 will definitely be more modern than the other LX models. Lexus says that this SUV will have different ways to arrange the seats. The standard model will have 2 rows of seats and space for 5 people. The premium, luxury, and F-Sport models, on the other hand, will have 3 rows of seats and enough room for 7 people. Lexus also offers a brand new ultra-luxury trim, which comes with 2 comfortable seats in a 4-seat configuration. The new L600 will be technologically better than its predecessor. It will have a dual-screen infotainment system that uses the latest version of the Lexus interface software. A 12.3-inch touchscreen is on top, and a 7.0-inch touchscreen is below it. This second touchscreen controls the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. We really like the new digital gauge cluster that measures 8.0 inches and comes as standard equipment. The LX600 also offers many driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. 2024 Lexus L600 engine specs. The 2024 Lexus L600 will only have one type of powertrain. The source says that it will come with the twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine that can make 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. If we compare these results to the original normally aspirated 5.7-liter V8 engine, we can see that the newer engine is better, even though it has a smaller displacement. We also think that this powertrain will use less gas because it will have a start/stop technology that only needs one click to turn off. The company will also include a brand new automatic gearbox with 10 different gears. Release date, price. Recent reports say that the new 2024 Lexus L600 will go on sale the following year, most likely in the second half of that year. The next model will look similar to the lx570 and use the same mechanics. Even so, it will eventually move to the new platform that the Land Cruiser SUV and the Tundra pickup truck share. As for the price, it will be a little less than $90,000.